Good morning. This is the Elliott Wave morning update for the Dow Jones and the Russell 2000. So Dow 30 and the Russell 2000. Starting here in the YM, which is the Dow future. And I'm on the 4-hour chart just to show that we are still within the minute B wave up as a part of the minor fourth wave corrective process. And so I'm going to bring it down to the hourly chart real quickly here so we can just update what's going on right now. So we're still, as I pointed out, we're in the C wave up for the minute B wave. And so we have 1, 2, 3, we did a small 4 completing, and now we're in wave 5. So here, let me just take this out because that no longer is valid. And what we have is we've just surpassed 0.382 resistance. Now, most common for a fifth wave when compared to the first wave is 100%, which is 44,114 up here. And the possibility, though, is that we've got to get through some other, likely going to be a little bit stiff resistance at 43,706, 43,802. And then we have the outside for the C wave, 1.618, which is the area I am looking for, which is at 43,989. And that goes along with the fact that we had an irregular B wave within this larger B wave coming up. So within minute wave B, it is also irregular. So we had that B wave go down, put in a new low, and now we're coming up in the C wave, and the most common retracement level or resistance level for that C wave is going to come in at 1.618 times the length of wave A. So there we have 43,989. And our moving averages are pretty much in alignment. We have the 20, the 8, the 20, the 50, and the 200. That's on the hourly chart. I'm just going to go over to the daily, see if we get some confirmation here. And still, as within the S&P and other markets, we still have a very stubborn 50, which is still flat, and the 20 beginning to turn higher, and the 8. So what we need to see to really show that the market's got a lot more strength than what it's showing is that the 8 would have to cross the 20, and then the 50, and the 20 would have to cross the 50 to put this in alignment on the daily level. So right now, on the hourly chart, we're showing that we have a pretty positive outlook for today, which of course is the January expiration as well. Okay, let's go over and take a look at the Russell. Russell also coming up, and if we're looking for a B wave here. And this is a little bit different in that I think we're still just within this, but we're looking for a minor B wave. So I think we're still in minute wave A. And again, it's going to come up in a 5-wave sequence. And there we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and we're coming up in the 5. And so I've connected, so we have some indications about how high the possibilities are for this particular move. And we're now just getting ready to, or we already have touched the 618 level, which is 2305. That could have completed it, but I'm going to give it the benefit of the doubt, and it'll move up to the most common, which is where 5 equals 1. And that's going to be at 2332. We have additional resistance on the minor degree up at 2337. So that could bring us up to wave A all the way here. We get another decline in the form of an internal minute B wave of the minor, larger minor, and then we come back up and we'll likely get up to here. That's pushing out a little bit, but for today, I think we probably will exceed 2305 and begin to head up into these levels up here. And taking a look at our moving averages, we have here as well as on the Dow, you see there's the 8, the 20, the 50, the 200. So the hourly chart is in alignment, likely with also the 2, the 5, the 15-minute chart, which is showing that we should have an extended push higher today. I'll take a quick look at the daily to see if our daily is in agreement. Nope, pretty much all the same. You can see it's going to start, but it's not showing. So that's why I'm going to keep this only just on the hourly, and it's for expiration. Until the daily actually gets into alignment, that would show that we have an extended strong upside move in progress. All right, that's going to be it for the morning. The next update will be the weekly update, which will be later today.